Hello friends, how are you? Today I will show you how to delete Google Map history. So open your Google Map, tap on this, click on profile section. Now you can search setting and click on it. Here you can search map history and again tap on it. Now you can check auto delete function is off. You can click it and delete 3 months, 36 months, whatever you want. If you want to delete permanently your history, then back to verify your account, enter your password. It means your Gmail password, whichever you log in your account. Now you can check delete option is appear, click on it and choose your option. Suppose I choose delete today. Friends, you can check now. It means your history is delete permanently today. If you want to delete all history, click on it and delete all time. Here you can press the delete button and your history, Google Map history is delete permanently. So friends, this is a way how to delete your Google Map history. If you like this video friends, please subscribe this channel and also share with your friends. Take care. Thank you.